Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to try and make some sense of Synthetix. So if you actually go on the website, you'll see a lot of long words. So derivatives, liquidity protocol. It's basically trying to create a bridge between crypto and synthetic assets and allowing you to purchase, buy or sell these assets themselves. Now these assets are called synths, and you have synths for a lot of different currencies in the world. For example, the dollar, the euro, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, British pound, Swiss franc, and more, right? You also have a few cryptos right here being followed with live price feeds. And, apparently they are providing some type of value because the chart is showing some promising upside. Now, stick around until the end of the video if you want to see what I personally think the chart is going to do in the next few weeks. But if you do enjoy it, as always, leave a like, and I'm going to try and make some more sense of this. So you can see that there's a total value locked of $500 million in Synthetix right now. And you can see some of the actual stats if you head on over into the stats section. Now, this is a pretty cool part of the website where you can see some ratios, network C ratio, active C ratio. To be completely honest, I have no idea what these things mean, but the market cap on the mainnet is almost $1 billion. So as we're nearing that number, the chart seems to be going upwards. Volume seems to be spiking, and these trading fees are seeming to hold their ground to be as low as possible, right? So what can you learn from this actual page? Well, not too much. You can see the price, which is an important factor. You can see the market cap, and you can see how much SNX is staked, or a little bit over 10% of the whole ecosystem, which is good. It's a solid number because the other part of the money is actually out there doing stuff with these synths. Now, what these guys are doing is providing decentralized perpetual futures, good price execution, low downtime, low liquidation risk, permissionless, composable. Once again, some really long words, but basically it means that they created assets that are very nice to track and very nice to trade as well. Not like the real markets that we have in the world. They're actually all derivatives, which means they're derived from these prices, and these guys are just trying to make everything an asset. So if you want to sell, I don't know, I mentioned a stupid example in a previous SNX video, like if you want to sell pigeon food or something on the market, you can easily create a synth using Synthetix and actually create a market for it. So that leaves you thinking, what can Synthetix actually do in the future? Well, there's a few things that you can actually do. So next to these assets, commodities, stocks and currencies, and everything that you can actually track using Synthetix, you can stake and earn. So you can earn a average percentage yield per year, per week, per day by pressing this button right here. You can obviously trade these synths, and you can build on the network as well if you want to create your own synths. A lot of these are powered by Synthetix. Quenta is actually pretty cool. I might actually cover it in another video, but quite a big ecosystem as well. And for the end, what I wanted to talk about is obviously the chart. But let me just see through my tabs. Did I talk about everything? So we covered the synths, we covered the general system stats. Oh, and we have the governance. So this is pretty cool. It's a protocol governed, maintained, and built by a combination of community members, core contributors, and several elected committees and councils that are voted on by SNX stakers. So they have a very complex governance program, which I'm not going to go into too much detail about, but having this in mind and having the synths in mind, I believe these guys, even though they're kind of a low market cap coin right now, I do believe if they continue making innovations and continue very nicely with this governance system right here, there is a potential for a lot of growth. And what can we see on the chart for the end of the video? Well, we can see what we're waiting for in the entire crypto market. Well, I guess it's just starting with Synthetix. We created a nice double bottom right here, and okay, have a look at this. So we have a chart that's creating lower highs and lower lows, right? Pretty simple. And what happened right here, we created a lower low at this point right here. And what happened? Well, we broke it. So the moment you see a chart breaking a lower low, it means that we're now creating a higher high and a higher low potentially. So if we create a higher low right now and, make a support around this area, it would probably offer favorable buying opportunities for more upside. But here's the thing, I would personally like to wait for a break of this zone of resistance to confirm upside. So if we make a break right here, I'm pretty sure we're going to continue moving up. So something like this into the next zone of more significant resistance, or the $11 mark, somewhere around here. So that's my prediction for now. Let's see what happens in the future. Thank you all for joining in. Lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own due diligence before investing into anything crypto related. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Comment down below what you want me to review. Adios.